How to install recessed can lights. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna first select the location for this light. That looks like a good spot. I get no light there at all. We're gonna install a can light right there. We begin by measuring the center of this shower. Toward the screwdriver or something by that means inside to see where the stud is at. And it looks like there's no stud anywhere nearby, which is a good sign. Now, after you got that, just stick a rod in there or something by that means and go up in the attic and take a look where the location. That way you can clear the insulation out of the way. Let's go take a look. Alright, now get a hole saw. Let's make a hole nice and clean, or a sheetrock saw, whatever you got. There it is. Sweet. We're going to remove this bag in place. And now our can light. I decided to go with the nail on, that way it's more securely fastened than those flimsy remodel can lights. So yeah, we're just gonna hammer it to the, fasten it to the framing over here. Plus a little more accessible from here, so you don't really need a remodel can. Insulation out of the way. And I'm going to staple back to the switch point. So now we're going to locate where all the wires are going down the wall. Found them right over here, and we're going to tie our wire to the fish stick and fish the wire down, and we'll cut the box open to there, from there. There it is. Alright. Now we're going to go downstairs and pull her out. Okay. So our wires are coming down right here, and I'm going to open up our switch cover. We're going to take out the switch, and we're going to change this single gang box into a 2-gang. Make sure your circuit breaker is off if you're not confident working with live power. Okay. Now, pry off this box, or actually straighten out all your conductors. More room to play with. Got a smart box right here with screws in it. We're gonna trace it out. And we'll cut it out and pry the box out. I'm trying to reduce our mess. Make sure it's level. There goes that. So you got that little fiddle. The box should come right out. Nice and easy. Bigger one. That cable we had. Right on. Perfect. Now, strip this Strip this wire out. Get it all nice and ready to be made up into the box. So now we're gonna come in down here, pop your holes. This is our switch. Be able to fish down. Two existing ones. Box in there, nice and clean, and then just screw it in. Okay. Try to make the box nice and flush with the wall. Nice and flush. Yep. Sweet. Now begin terminating the wire. Now you can begin making up this box. Begin by terminating the grounds first, pigtailing them, 2 pigtails. Gently fold them back inside the box. Alright, turn the circuit breaker back on. That way we know we got our both pigtails. Identify your switch legs. Ready to install our devices. On this dimmer switch, funky looking thing. Turns on, of course. Just tuck our wires in the box nicely. Clean makeup. And don't forget about your can trim. Be sure to use a shower rated one with a nice gasket around. And then use this gasket for the light bulb to make sure it's rated. Screw in the light bulb and of course turn on your switch. Boom! Damn, that's bright. And now that's it. Nice and simple.